Oh, the bird. Look at that, the bird. The bird is attacking me. Come on. The bird is attacking. I got to go down. Woohoo! The crow is attacking my drone. The crow. Look at that. That's dangerous. Okay, look at the water. It's so peaceful. Just that the crow is not allowing me to fly my drone here. And my first time here in the authorized flying zone for drones, and with all the crews around, this is not a good place to fly my drone here. Well, here we are. We're at Pandan reservoir, and this is the place, the authorized place, and maybe it's the first authorized place to play drone in Singapore. Yeah, Unmanned Aircraft Flying Area. Come on. Let's set up the drone. Switch on the controller. Look around for trees. The highest maybe this tree. Okay. And clear. Good to go. Home point updated. 53 meters. No. Okay, let's go to 60 meters. Let's go. Okay. What we're gonna do is gonna fly past me and straight out and reveal the place. Okay. Go. 1.6 meters per second. Oh, the crow is attacking. The crow is The crow is attacking. The crow is Ah! There's 3 or 4 crows attacking my drone. Oh, there's more than that. There's more crows coming. Okay, let's go. Let's land. That was a close call. There's around 5, 6. Now there's around 10 crows flying here. They are getting ready. No, this is not a good place to fly my drone. Just now the crow attacked. Around 5 or 6 crows attacked my drone. They are all waiting down there, you know. Okay, it's such a close call, and with all the crows around, this is not a good place to fly my drone here. Okay, return to home.